Learn about every sign of zodiac cusp and dates and how it affects you. If your date of birth falls on the time when sun leaves one sign and enters another, then it is called a cusp sign. A cusp is the imaginary line that separates a pair of consecutive zodiac signs or houses in the horoscope. Because the solar disk has a diameter of approximately half a degree, it is possible for the sun to straddle the cusp as it moves across the sky. When this occurs at the moment of birth, such a person is said to be born on the cusp, and his life is influenced by the characteristics of both signs. If your date of birth falls on the cusp, you may be a Cancer, but you may have a little bit of Leo's characteristics. You may be a Scorpio, but the personality traits of some other zodiac may define you. When one is born within a few days of the sun's move from one zodiac sign to the adjacent one means the individual is born on the cusp, and thus one's traits can be influenced by two different zodiac. Simply, if you are born around 3 days before or after the change, then you are on the cusp with blended personality traits. How does cusp affects you? Taking birth on the cusp helps an individual to possess personality traits from even neighboring sign. The energies of the two signs may clash with one another. As a result, an individual attains a number of unique qualities. Here is a list of cusp dates. Cusp of power, April 16 to 22. Cusp of energy, May 17 to 23. Cusp of magic, June 17 to 23. Cusp of oscillation, July 19 to 25. Cusp of exposure, August 19 to 25. Cusp of beauty, September 19 to 25. Cusp of drama, October 19 to 25. Cusp of revolution, November 18 to 24. Cusp of prophecy, December 18 to 24. Cusp of mystery, January 16 to 23. Cusp of sensitivity, February 15 to 21. Cusp of rebirth, March 17th to 23. Now we will see the horoscope chart. Pisces Aries cusp falls on March 17th to March 23. If you are a part of this cusp, then your compassion and strong will help you to easily meet your goals without stepping on anyone's toes in the process. In fact, your goals probably help other people more than it helps yourself. However, your impatience can be a little deterring. Work on being a little more patient and your argument could go a lot smoother. The sun might be on the Pisces side, but its position highlights that merely dreaming isn't it enough. Instead, they need to act on their dreams. Again, if the sun is on the Aries side, the individual possesses a trait of being sensitive to others' emotional states without being sure about theirs. Aries Taurus cusp falls on April 16 to April 22. You are one of the most powerful cusp zodiac signs. The fearlessness of an Aries and the strength of a Taurus makes for a strong and formidable leader. You can get things done in a snap, and as long as there are no other Aries Taurus cuspers, there should be no problems. When the sun is on the Aries side, the individual possesses an aggressive Aries nature. The trait helps the individual to complete the task and enjoy material comforts. However, it can also go the other way around. If the sun lies on the Taurus side, the individual becomes accident prone, impulsive, stubborn, or a bully. Taurus Gemini cusp falls on May 17 to May 23. The charm of a Gemini and the power of a Taurus. You fit in with friends and you don't know what a break is when it comes to getting work done. Your emotions don't get in the way of your work, and you can always go out and have fun whenever you finish. When the sun is on the Taurus side, one holds the stoic and practical Turian nature. It is molded with intellectual curiosity. This attitude makes the individual enjoy conversations and company. If the sun takes the Gemini side, an individual's quick mind becomes practical, helping them to learn how things work. Gemini Cancer cusp falls on June 17th to June 23. Being a part of this zodiac sign cusp means you are the epitome of a great girlfriend. You can be flirtatious and light-hearted when you are single, to devoted and caring whenever you get in a relationship. However, when you don't have someone to love and care for, you can get a little moody, which can prevent your knight in shining armor to give you what you want. If the sun takes the Gemini side, thoughts either ting or become emotional. The sun is on the side of Cancer, feelings and memories become way too personal. The position makes an individual enjoy the prospect of exchanging stories. This augurs well for the aura of a person and boosts their appeal. Cancer Leo cusp falls on July 19th to July 25th. This cusp brings the concept of drama to life with Cancer's sensitivity and Leo's dramatic nature. Little problems can become big deals for you, but also minor successes can be cause for a celebration. Life for you is either a party or a lonely night eating cookie dough in your pajamas, metaphorically. Of course, you can find harmony within yourselves, but what's happiness without feeling a little sad? If sun takes Cancer side, the person becomes too extrovert, shares gifts and creativity. This aspect makes the individual enjoy farming. When the sun holds his position in the Leo side, the person naturally tends to become insecure and more vulnerable. Leo Virgo cusp falls on August 19th to August 25th. You are the grassroots leader, the people first politician, and the chief of your tribe. Since Virgos are very down to earth and Leos can be commanding and assertive, this makes for a down to earth leader who understands how to lead without getting in over her. You are the perfect partner for a business or any type of relationship. The sun is on the Leo side, the individual is a perfectionist, a pro in terms of self expression. The sun stays on the Virgo side, the individual becomes playful and expressive. The person naturally enjoys being a strict Virgo perfectionist, polished by creativity. Virgo Libra cusp falls on September 19th to September 25th. You still retain the indecisiveness from your Libra half, and Virgo's closed off nature can make finding someone to settle down with difficult. But you can be very thoughtful due to Virgo's analytic nature and Libra's caring nature. You know what your partner needs without them even saying anything. When the sun stays on the Virgo side, the individual's goal of perfection gets sidetracked. Dreams of romance and love build that right. They seem to always look for opportunity to become the right person for someone. When the sun is on the Libra side, the person becomes critical of others. Relationship standards are strict and the individual starts becoming a completely different person. Libra Scorpio cusp falls on October 19th to October 25th. Usually, Libra's indecisiveness would prevent you from making decisions quickly, but thanks to your Scorpio half and Scorpio's ability to be precise, this cancels this out. However, Libra's charm is still present in this cusp, but Scorpio's cynical nature comes along with it. With the sun on the Libra side, the individual gets to know others' dark motivations. If it takes its position on the Scorpio side, the individual's mysterious nature gets mixed with idealism. It makes the person draw focus towards the bright side. Scorpio Sagittarius cusp falls on November 18th to November 24th. This is the cusp of revolution. Your Sagittarius motivation and your Scorpio intensity can give you the power to accomplish anything. You will not half your work because putting in 110% effort into your tasks is how you do things. When the sun takes the Scorpio side, an individual's depths can heighten with optimism. This makes the individual see the end of the tunnel. When the sun takes the Sagittarian side, the individual naturally start developing an understanding of emotional undercurrents. This gives an ability to feel others' feelings. Sagittarius Capricorn cusp falls on December 18th to December 24th. When you set a goal or realize a dream, you sit down and plan every step to get to where you want to go. You are the best planner, and your optimism from your Sagittarius half helps give you that extra push to keep moving even when anything looks bleak. You will always put your best foot forward. When the sun takes Sagittarius side, freedom gets reduced with a sense of responsibility and ambition. When it is on the Capricorn side, the individual seeks opportunities to enjoy life. He or she aims for a career combined with a stable future filled with fun. Capricorn Aquarius cusp falls on January 16th to January 22. You are between one of the unique zodiac signs and the most conventional. Depending on your mood, you can be outgoing or repulsive. Your ambition and ability to think in an abstract manner help you to see bigger picture of your goals. When the sun lies on the Capricorn side, an individual's seriousness is balanced with a sense of style and wit. The sun is inclined on the Aquarian side, the individual is more severe than most Aquarians. Aquarius Pisces cusp falls on February 15th to February 21. This cusp brings out your sensitivity. With Aquarius introspection and Pisces artistic nature, you are like a sad artist. You feel compassion for humanity and you want the world to be a much better place than it is. When the sun is on the Aquarius side, a person's thoughts are fuzzier, dreamlike, and intuitive. Sun, when on the Pisces side, makes an individual's dream sharper, clear, and lucid. Conclusion: being born on the cusp often makes one feel mysterious. Which side is stronger depends on where the sun is inclined more relative to 0 points of the next sign. An accurate birth time helps determine the rising sign. Consulting a professional astrologer can help an individual unlock the mystery of their birth on a cusp. Thank you for watching.